Do you know one mistake that is very common among YouTubers? Let me tell you, it is the fact that a large number of us will wait to get monetized before we start putting things in place, which is not supposed to be so. You don't need to wait to get monetized before you start doing all the necessary things. Do you understand? So even though you are not yet monetized, this video is for you. Start getting all the documents ready so that by the time you get monetized, you'll just be chilling because everything is already ready. Do you understand? So guys, in this video I'll be talking about documents that you need for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. You get? So first of all, we all know that for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour in 1 year, which is 365 days, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views in 3 months, which is 90 days. So I know that a lot of YouTubers prefer to go for the 4,000 watch hours. Yes. So after you reach that threshold, YouTube will notify you that you should apply for monetization. So you will then apply. Then they will review your channel to check if there's anything like copyright, if there's anything like you reuse content, if there's anything like, you understand, so that they will know if they are going to accept you or reject you. You understand? So that is how it works. But before you will be able to monetize that YouTube channel, there are certain documents that you need for you to be able to monetize the YouTube channel. Now, the very first thing I'll be talking about is proof of identification. So you need something to prove your identity. You understand? If you are in Nigeria, you should have a voter's card. If you don't have a voter's card, you should have passport. Yeah, you should have a passport. If you don't have a passport, you should have driver license. All these are what you can use to prove your identity. Like what I heard, somebody that used NIN, the person was not accepted, the person was rejected. So when you have one of these, you'll be able to prove your identity, and from there you have already crossed one step. I don't know if you get. So it's very important. Some of you are praying to get monetized, but you don't have passport, you don't have voters card, you don't have a driver license. What are you going to use to do the process? So go and get it in case you don't have one. Now the second thing I'll be talking about is a domiciliary account. Account is an account you can use to receive in foreign currency. You know, in Nigeria, yeah, we have our Naira account. You get on YouTube, you want to earn in you understand, in US dollars. You want to earn in, you understand what I'm talking about. So a lot of people in Nigeria, yeah, they earn in dollars, they don't earn in Naira. You know the way our Naira is now. The Naira we don't go down finish. So we prefer to earn in dollars so that we can then change it with the black market and the money will be somehow big. Don't mind me. So guys, it's advisable that you get a domiciliary account. You just go to the bank and tell them you want to create a dollar account. They will create it for you. They will create the account for you, and then that's where your money will be coming in. Then you can withdraw in foreign currency and then change it with black market. You can change it in black market. Okay, the reason is because if you decide to use your Naira account, you decide to be receiving the money in your Naira account, the money will come in the bank rate. I don't know if you get the bank rate, because bank, they know how they change their money for their customers, so it will just come directly with the bank rate. But if you collect it in that foreign currency, you will now have the choice to now change it in the black market, and the money will be big. I don't know if you understand. So it's better go and create a domiciliary account. So there's also what we call TIN. You will also need your TIN. So according to some persons, you can get it in Joint Task Board, which is JTB. You go to the nearest place and you get it there. It's something you can also get online. Yes, I will do a video on how you can get it online. Your TIN, get it online. Now the reason why you need this is because when you are filling the form, because there is this form you will fill when you are applying for your monetization. So there's this form you will fill, and there's a place for US tax form for non-US citizen, and that particular place there in that form, you will need to now fill in your TIN. You understand? That your number, that your TIN, you will now need to fill it there. So that is why you need it. So just try and get it, and I will also do a video on how you can get it online. It is very, very easy. Now another thing you will still need to get is your BVN. You also need your NIN. You know that without all these things, how you want even to open an account for Nigeria? It's not possible. So you need it, because if you are requesting for your TIN, they will request for it. Yes, they will request for your NIN, they will request for your BVN. So you need it. Go and get it in case you don't have it yet. You are praying to get monetized, you don't have BVN, you don't have NIN. How are you going? Oh, like how are you going to do it? I don't understand. So prepare all these things before that time. Do you get? Prepare it before that time, because by the time you are requesting for your TIN, they will ask for your BVN, they will ask for your NIN. So how are you going to provide it? So try as much as possible to get it before then. So guys, another thing I will talk about is your Google AdSense. I know a lot of us have been hearing about this Google AdSense, and some persons are like, can I create a Google AdSense before monetization? The answer is yes, yes, but I will advise you to wait till you get monetized before you create it. It's something that is very fast. It doesn't take time. It's something you can do under how many minutes you are done. So why the rush? Because if you create the Google AdSense now, because you are preparing for monetization, if like 3 months the Google AdSense account is dormant, you are not using it, they will block it. Do you understand? They will block it. So the best thing is for you to wait. There is no issue with that. You can do that maybe after YouTube has accepted you into the partner program. You understand? So that one is not an issue. Now the reason why you need this Google AdSense is that YouTube pays your earnings, the money you earn. YouTube pays it to that AdSense before you can withdraw it to your domiciliary account. Do you understand? So that is how it works. Every YouTuber that is monetized, they have a Google AdSense account. It is very, very important, and it is not difficult to have. It's not difficult. It's something you can get sharp, fast. It's something you can get as soon as possible, very, very fast. So get monetized first before you do that one. There's no issue with that. I hope you understand. But before then, before you are asked to create a Google AdSense in the process of monetization, they will ask you if you have one. If you already have a Google AdSense that you are using before, no problem, you can just put it there. But if you don't have, you just tell them no that you don't have. Then they will give you the process to follow on how you can create one. It's very, very easy. And another thing is, if you have 2 channels, you have 3 channels, you have 4 channels, 5 YouTube channels, you only need one Google AdSense. You only need one. You can link one Google AdSense to all your other channels, no problem. That is how it works. So don't think that when you monetize this channel, you will use one Google AdSense. When you monetize another one, you create another one again. No, you can use one Google AdSense to link all your other channels. You understand? So guys, after you finish verifying your identity, you also need to verify your address. For you to be able to verify your identity, you will need a threshold of $10 on your account, because without that money they will not be able to verify your identity. They need that money for them to verify your identity. So you will need to have $10 on your account. Do you understand? So for them to be able to verify your identity. Okay, so they will verify your identity, verify your address, and a pin will be sent to you. So you start requesting for the pin. If after you've, and this is one of the issues that a lot of YouTubers face, because they hardly get that pin on time. Sometimes you need to go to the postal office to check if it's there already. The postal office that you inputted, you need to confirm if it's there already. The thing is, when you are monetized, you will start seeing the step by step. You understand? The step, and you have to be careful when you are doing it. It's step by step. So you verify your identity, and you need a threshold of $10 for you to be able to do that. So that is to say, you should have $10 in your account for you to be able to verify your identity. Another thing again is, you also need to verify your address. You understand? And a pin will be sent to you, which you will need to input. I hope you have seen videos of people holding their pin like this. Hey, finally my pin is here, those stuff. So sometimes people find it difficult to get their pin after going to the postal office like 3-4 times. They find it difficult to get their pin. But there is no problem. If you are not able to get your pin after requesting for it 3 times, you have been looking for it and you requested 3 times, you are not able to get it, there is no problem. You can troubleshoot it. You can contact the AdSense help desk and they will help you out. You understand? They will help you out, and you'll be able to verify your address without a pin. People do it. So that all these things, they are process. They are process. So when that time comes for you to monetize your channel, please do it gingerly, no rush. No rush, so you will not make any mistake. And make sure that all the details you have on your voter's card or your your Nigeria passport, that identity card you are using, make sure that all the details, they are the same details that you will be filling, in case you want to fill anything. It should be accurate. If you know there's any mistake now in your national passport or your voter's card, or go and start addressing it, go and start correcting it. It will help you, I'm telling you. So guys, that is it for this video. So don't wait for that thing you are hoping for to happen before you now know the next step to take. No, prepare ahead of time. This is the best time for you to start preparing. Start getting all the things that you need to get, so that by the time you hit that threshold that you have been praying for, everything will be easy for you. Do you understand? Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you, and I want to thank you for your support so far. Please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share, and don't forget to drop a comment for me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.